What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today we are going into this house right here behind me in Monroe, New Jersey. You guys know that we are out here recording tons of content for you guys, giving you some inspiration as to things that you can do in your own home. We're going all around New Jersey, New York area. Just got back from Virginia, Maryland, DC. So we're going to continue to go throughout the entire nation and highlight customers' projects. We really appreciate all of y'all's support and business. If you would like to purchase anything that you see in our videos or anything home theater related, we more than likely have it available. All right, let's get into this house and check it out. All right, guys, I am now in the customer's home, and you guys are gonna love the layout of this basement. It's probably the coolest thing about traveling here on the East Coast these last few weeks is seeing all of these really just rad basements. And check this out, You guys are gonna love it. So, come down the stairs here, and then it opens up big. Check out this super cool Nintendo system. The ultimate arcade. I love these chairs, the way that the wainscoting is put in, trimmed out, all nice. You got the modern gray color with the white wood floors. I mean, really, this theater is on point for 2021. Now, this customer actually DIY'd the project. You guys know that, like, I post these videos promoting DIY and I ship product all over the country, but this one was done exactly to a T how I do it in my videos. And it's just so inspirational to come out to the home and see a setup that has literally every single piece that we promote on our YouTube channel installed perfectly by the customer. It brings so much joy to see this. So let me walk you through the rest of the basement area, and then I'll show you the theater equipment. So check out this bar. I love the way you have bar seating facing the theater. You got bar seating facing a secondary TV, which is just emulating the exact same thing that's playing in the theater. But hey, I mean, it just looks awesome. Obviously, you could sit here and look over there, but why not put another TV on the wall if you can? That receiver has 2 HDMI outputs, so it just looks sick. You got all your liquor on display. This isn't related to the theater, but I just hope you guys find some inspiration with this setup as to something you can do in your own home. Got your little nooks for the wine. Really cool. I mean, the carpenter that did this and trimmed everything out did an amazing job. I just love it. Down here, I mean, they got everything. You got your faucet here, your sink, got your beer fridge, and your wine fridge. Does it get any better than that? Yeah, it does. He's got the ice maker over here too, and the microwave. This is the ultimate entertainment area. Hanging right here, making your drinks, watching your movie, plenty of seating for guests. This is kind of like what's in now, guys, not doing dedicated theater seating. You know, just making it like a chill entertainment space where you can hang out with the family. You got your card table for playing games with the kids. Cool modern pool table with plenty of space to walk around. Opens up to the backyard with a walkout so you can go play football or soccer with the kids. This is the territory in New Jersey I was really excited to see because we have been shipping a ton of product down to this area, and I kind of envisioned it being like this big family style housing. And that's really where that's our sweet spot, you know, is selling to larger homes like this where they have the space to do media setups and enjoy it with the family. So back to what we were doing here. I mean, I'll have to, if anybody's interested in this and you live in the Monroe area in New Jersey, give you the contact to the contractor, because the guy that trimmed this out and did all the woodworking did a really beautiful job. I'm in love with the way this basement was set up.
Even a little mini door with a trim.
Yeah, I mean, even this like little door, I'll show you in just a second. They set it up for the kids. You got another really nice display over here for the children. And that's all running through the one AVR. I'll go to the rack room and show that off too. Look, got a little fridge just for the kids. You got Snapple and Gatorades and water. How cool. I just had my first kid, so like seeing this space built out like this is really getting me going as to things I'm gonna want to do for my kiddo. It's very cute and badass at the same time. Yeah, this little area right here, I mean, they utilized all of the space. You can see down in here, made like a little play area for the kids. So cool. All right, now let's talk about the theater, guys. First things first, you want it to be easy, right? So with the Harmony remote, you got a one-button press, controls everything in the theater, making it very easy to operate for the whole family. And everything is terminating over there in the closet. So it's all hidden out of the way. Let's run through what's going on exactly. You have right here the Epson 6050 from Epson with that 3 LCD technology. And the 3 LCD is super, super bright and vibrant. And it's not native 4K, but it's E-Shift, and it does a really good job with that. Also, has 2600 lumen output, 1,200,001 contrast. Again, not native, but for the average consumer, this is our best-selling projector because it's just super bright, super vibrant, and a good value. 4,000 MSRP. Up there, he took every single recommendation from our YouTube videos. We got the single watt box surge protector. This projector actually comes with that chief mount that you see installed there at no extra cost. It also comes with a spare bulb included at no extra cost and a 3-year warranty. You see everything's running right there, and it's home running back to the closet where everything's terminating in our strong FS series rack. We got the Klipsch Pro series here all the way around. And what's really cool about this project is he went with the acoustically transparent screen. So we're running the Klipsch Pro series, the Pro 250 RPW LCRs behind here for front, left, right, and center. And we're using the Dragonfly acoustically transparent screen. And what's really cool, I'm not sure if you guys can even see in this video, and you shouldn't be able to, is it's a woven screen versus the perforated screen. So it gives you a more like normal screen look. You're not losing image quality. When you do those perforated screens, especially, it depends on the quality of the screen, but some of the cheaper ones that I've seen customers put in from like Elite and Silver ticket screens, it actually looks like pixels. I got Jose, our preferred partner over here.
Exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, he's over here laughing.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, it's basically like little holes,
Yes.
and it looks as if it makes the picture look pixelated.
So then you go and spend a couple grand on a projector for what? I mean, you killed the image right there. It doesn't make sense. Get a nice screen, buy it from Zach.
Yeah, so I mean, these are the things to where it's like, you know, I try to be really honest on the channel and, you know, let people know that there are all different quality options available and that you don't have to spend a ton of money, but I mean, it pays off when you spend a little extra. Let's just say that. Like this Dragonfly isn't, you know, our top of the line screen innovations or Stewart screens that we offer, but he went a little above, you know, the Amazon screen, and it shows. I mean, it looks really nice for this price range. You know, I'm always talking about price and performance, and this Epson 6050 combined with the acoustically transparent screen really is great value. It looks good. Now, everything's terminating over here. You got the strong FS series rack right here. And what's really cool is when you guys order this, it comes fully assembled just like this. It has fans built into the top. He even went with the Wattbox surge protector back there to protect all the devices. Again, guys, whenever you're looking to build a system out, just give us a call. And our audio video consultants will walk you through the different options available and find something that fits your exact needs and budget. And if you're gonna DIY it, I have so many videos that I've made to help you guys out. I mean, use that content and empower yourself and just order from us. We'll get you the lowest prices on everything, guaranteed. It's got this nice like glass door on it. I just love this rack. I mean, it comes in all different sizes and it's affordable. I think you're like 600 bucks on this guy, and it comes with the shelves, all the panels, wheels. It has nice like casters on the bottom. And then the biggest thing is it comes to your door just like this, like fully assembled, ready to rock and roll. You can see he's got his Fios, Apple TV, the Xbox, and then the Denon AVR. And the current model on that is the 2700. This is the 2500. This guy, he probably bought it a year or so ago. I haven't been out to New Jersey yet, so I'm just visiting all the clients that have purchased from us. It had to be at least probably a year, but it couldn't be much more because he has the Epson 6050. But yeah, I mean, with the Harmony remote, you can put everything over here hidden in this rack, close the doors, and it still is gonna operate through the walls, keeping everything nice and clean out here away from the kids' fingers. All right, guys, so this is my walkthrough on this space. I hope that you enjoyed this quick overview. You gotta subscribe to the channel because I'm also gonna do individual videos on different segments of this theater and do demos. I know you guys really enjoy demos. If you would like to purchase anything, give us a ring. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Again, we got that free design service, and then our preferred partners that we're building up throughout the entire nation that can help you guys with the installation if you don't want to DIY it, which a lot of you guys don't. So we would love the opportunity to earn your business. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Just cruising through New Jersey. On to the next one.